Hello everyone, we are in Phuket, Thailand, and I just wanted to show the difference between Bolt and Grab in Thailand. So what happened, I asked the hotel reception manager to call me a local taxi because the Grab was asking too much. It's like 350 or 380. Then he suggested me to try Bolt, and I was surprised to see that how much cheaper Bolt is than Grab. So this is like their lobby and stuff. But let me just give you a quick tour or quick overview. So see, we are going from hotel Icon to Grand Kata, and Bolt is asking for 180. The regular price is 200, so they're giving just 20 baht discount. So it was 180. And let's see Grab, and you can see that the Grab is asking for 348. So how much is the difference? So 200, 300, 150. So almost 150 difference per ride, and this is just a short trip. So imagine how much money you can be saving with Bolt. And this is my first time installing Bolt. I heard it before, but I was just lazy to install another one because I was relying on Grab. And we have been fooled to pay too much with the Grab so far. So whenever in Thailand, I recommend using Bolt and check with both Grab and Bolt. But most likely you're going to get much lower fare with Bolt. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.